Hello, in this video, I'll be explaining the following. So inventory management involves overseeing and controlling the ordering, storage, and use of goods. The primary goal is to make sure that there is the right amount of inventory at the right time. So they can work with raw materials, finished goods, and even work in progress goods. And some methods they would use is the just-in-time method. So it minimizes inventory by receiving goods only when those goods are needed. And then economic order quantity calculates the ideal order quantity. So there's that written all out for us. And that is going to be our inventory management. So next we're going to move on to maintenance management. So maintenance management is basically the process that involves maintaining equipment, facilities, and assets, and make sure that they